Okay, heads up sneaker family, in this video I'm going to show you what to do just in case your Air Jordan 11 midsole ends up getting a bad scuff on it that looks like this. So let's just reenact the scuff on the other side so that we can start to do the job. Okay, now we got a nice size gash on the other side of the midsole, so now we could begin repairs. So the tools you're going to need for this repair is a block from it's like a 4-way nail buffer, but we got the white one. If you go to the store, sometimes you'll see it in black, so just try to get the white piece underneath. As you can see there, it's in black, but you want the white one because this midsole is white. You'll need a piece of sandpaper, some Gorilla Glue, a razor, because we'll be cutting the piece once we insert it into the gash. You'll need a heat gun and a piece of a screen from a window. So let's begin. So first you're gonna take your sandpaper and you're gonna sand the area out as smooth as you can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect here. Okay, we just sanding it to get it a little smooth so we can apply our Gorilla Glue inside so that we can apply our piece. So you just take something, smooth your Gorilla Glue out. I got me a little stick here. I put the Gorilla Glue out to the edges, and then I'm gonna take my block and I'm gonna press it into the gash so that it can attach. After I did that, I took a razor and I cut off any excess of the block. You could cut the block in half before you do it as well. After that, I take a piece of sandpaper and sand it down pretty smooth, but not all the way. We're gonna leave it like it's like a little hump on top, because you don't want it to be perfectly flat because we are going to be using heat here. Okay, so now we're going to get our heat gun and we're going to apply some heat to the area for about 6 to 8 seconds until we see it like puff up a little bit, and then we're going to get our window screen and we're going to press it up against the area so that we can get that tread look that's inside of the Air Jordan 11 midsole. So it should end up looking something like that. A little bit afterwards, what I would do, I would just get some paint and I'll paint over the top, repeat the process, let it dry, do a little bit of extra sanding to try to reduce the look of the gash as much as possible. But with a little bit of practice and more effort, some sanding, painting, I'm quite sure you guys are going to take off with this and turn this into something really, really special. So I'd like to thank you for watching Footprints, and good luck. Hey, my name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in re-glues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available. And I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.